cupcakes, welcome back to my lace frontal wig series episode 3, and today I will be showing you all how to pluck your lace frontal like a pro. As you can see, I already have my lace frontal attached to my mannequin head. And don't ask me any questions about my mannequin head. Why it look like that, why the mouth look eat out and everything. I'm not prepared to explain that right now. Sorry for the look of it. Like, she's been through a lot of wigs and ups and downs. I think she's depressed right now for the shit. I need to purchase a new one. So this is a tip for anyone that don't have any T-pins or can't find any T-pins or lost their T-pins. You can use safety pins instead. And I have 5 safety pins in the front and 5 in the back. As y'all know, in episode 1, I already bleached my knots on this lace frontal. So now it's time to pluck. Let me show y'all a little glimpse of how the knots look. Like, look at it. Scalp. What lace? Scalp, honey. For all my beginners, here are the things you're gonna need. First, you're gonna need a brush, you know, to brush down that hair. Brush, you're gonna wear the brush and get that sleek look. Then you're gonna need a comb, you know, to comb all those tangles and things in the hair, you know, and to give a pop, and especially when you're plucking your hairline. You're gonna need a tweezer. Tweezers are optional. I usually use my fingers to pluck my hairline. I prefer my fingers other than the tweezers is because you don't want to tweeze the hairline with these tweezers and tear the lace. Once you torn that lace, that's it for this frontal. So if you're using a tweezer, please be careful not to tear the lace. Next, I'm going to use Kids Organic Shea Butter Detangling Moisturizing Lotion. Last but not least, you'll need a spray bottle with water, or you can go on the faucet and wet this frontal. So, let's begin. At a time, especially if you're a beginner. Let me show you how I do it with my fingers, which I prefer. So, you take a strand and I wrap it just like this with my finger. See, just wrap around my finger, the same finger, and I pull. Correct, right here. Now you can use your tweezer, small section where you trying to, I don't know if you can see, and pull. At a time. Don't pull too much in that same area. Now, the one thing I like about this frontal is that the parting space is pretty nice on the frontal. Only the hairline is like, this is what I wanted. As you can see it here. So I want it sleek like that because, you know, sometimes I be all up in my feelings. Sometimes I really not feeling the baby hairs trend nowadays. I like in the more natural sleek look because really I don't even do baby hairs on my own damn natural hair really. Because I don't have the time for it. I don't pay for that shit. I like the side sweep and go. That's all. So this is how it looks. Now, cupcakes, as we move on into our lace frontal wig series, episode 4, I will be showing y'all how to make a lace frontal wig. And after we make this wig and apply this to our hair to style, if you would like to pluck more or add baby hairs to the wig, then you can. This is the amount of hair that I plucked off, and I think I have more on the floor. I gotta clean up this room when I'm done.